as we open with a panoramic view of Tokyo's skyline. The city's dynamic spirit and cultural richness come to life. The scene transitions to a montage of the iconic Tokyo Tower, the energetic Shibuya Crossing, and the historic Sensoji Temple, as we explore the well-trodden path that every traveler knows. But beyond these famous spots, there's another Tokyo waiting to be discovered. This is a Tokyo that offers a chance to connect the city on a deeper level. A Tokyo that whispers the tales of olden days and thrives in the quiet corners, away from the hustle and bustle. Ever wondered what these undiscovered treasures look like? Imagine quaint neighborhoods steeped in history, unique eateries serving delectable local cuisine, hidden art galleries, and enchanting gardens. These are Tokyo's lesser-known gems, places where you can experience the city like a local, away from the tourist crowds. A different kind of magic awaits here, a chance to understand Tokyo's soul and spirit. Up, as we take you on a captivating journey into Tokyo's hidden gems. Don't forget to subscribe for more interesting facts about Tokyo's hidden. Imagine stepping back in time in the heart of a bustling metropolis. Welcome to Yanaka-Ginza, a corner of Tokyo that breathes nostalgia, an old town that remains untouched by the hands of modernity. Nestled amidst the sprawling cityscape, Yanaka-Ginza stands as a testament to the Tokyo of yesteryears, a place where time seems to have stood still. As you explore this quaint neighborhood, you'll be treated to an array of sights and sounds that are a stark contrast to the neon-lit streets and towering skyscrapers that define Tokyo. Here, traditional wooden houses line narrow, winding streets, creating a charming backdrop that's worlds away from the city's urban sprawl. Yanaka-Ginza is more than just a neighborhood. It's a living museum of Tokyo's past. It's a place where you can feel the pulse of the city's history, where every corner, every alleyway tells a story. From the old-school candy stores and family-run businesses to the rustic tea houses and vintage clothing shops, Yanaka-Ginza offers a window into the Tokyo of old. But what truly sets Yanaka-Ginza apart is its traditional shopping street. This bustling street, brimming with life and activity, is a throwback to the Showa era. Here, you'll find a fascinating mix of shops selling everything from traditional Japanese sweets to handmade crafts and antiques. The street is also home to a vibrant food scene, where you can savor some of Tokyo's most delectable street food. As you stroll down the shopping street, you'll encounter friendly shopkeepers who've been running their businesses for generations. Their warm smiles and stories add to the charm of Yanaka-Ginza, making your visit all the more memorable. Yanaka-Ginza is a unique blend of old and new, where tradition coexists with modernity. It's a place that lets you experience a side of Tokyo that's often overlooked, a side that's steeped in history and culture. So if you're yearning for a taste of the past in the middle of the city, look no further than Yanaka-Ginza. It's here that you'll find a Tokyo that's far removed from the city's glitzy facade, a Tokyo that's rich in history, character, and charm. Yanaka-Ginza, the perfect blend of past and present, a Tokyo you never imagined. A scene script. Ever dreamt of experiencing France in Tokyo? Welcome to Kagurazaka, a neighborhood that gracefully blends the allure of Tokyo with the charm of Paris. Known for its French influences, this district is a delightful surprise waiting to be discovered. As we stroll down the narrow, meandering lanes of Kagurazaka, the rhythm of Tokyo seems to slow down just a bit, replaced by a distinctly European ambiance. The cobblestone streets, lined with charming boutiques and quaint cafes, transport you to the heart of Paris. The aroma of freshly baked croissants wafts through the air, and the sound of French conversations fills the streets. This is Tokyo, but not as you'd expect. Kagurazaka's French connection dates back to the 1960s, when the Institut Français du Japon made its home here. The institute brought with it a wave of French culture, cuisine, and language that seeped into the neighborhood's character, transforming it into the city's French Quarter. The French influence is so strong here that you'll find more French restaurants and cafes in Kagurazaka than anywhere else in Tokyo. From authentic French bakeries serving up delectable pastries to charming bistros offering classic French cuisine, your taste buds are in for a treat. But the French connection doesn't stop at food. As you wander through Kagurazaka, you'll notice French bookstores, French language schools, and even a French supermarket. The influence of French culture is woven into the very fabric of the district, making it a unique and fascinating part of Tokyo. And then, there's the annual French Fair. Held every summer, the streets of Kagurazaka come alive with the spirit of a French festival. With live music, street performances, and stalls selling everything from crepes to French wine, it's a celebration of French culture that adds a dash of joie de vivre to Tokyo's urban landscape. Kagurazaka, where Tokyo and Paris meet, a little French enclave in the heart of Japan. In this unique neighborhood, you can savor a croissant, sip a café au lait, and experience a slice of France without ever leaving Tokyo. Scene script. Are you a food lover seeking a unique culinary experience in Tokyo? Welcome to Omoide Yokocho, often translated as Memory Lane, but affectionately known by locals and tourists alike as Piss Alley. Don't let the quirky nickname deter you, though. It's a testament to the area's colorful history, harkening back to the post-war era when public restrooms were scarce. Today, Omoide Yokocho is a vibrant symbol of Tokyo's resilience and adaptability. This narrow alleyway, nestled between gleaming skyscrapers in Shinjuku, is a beacon for gourmands and connoisseurs of the unconventional. This is where you'll find a delightful potpourri of tiny food stalls and izakayas, each one brimming with character and a unique story to tell. As you meander through the alley, you'll be greeted by the tantalizing aroma of yakitori skewered chicken grilled over charcoal, a staple of Omoide Yokocho. The scent of sizzling meat, mingling with the sweet, smoky fragrance of yakisoba, will guide you through this labyrinth of culinary delights. But the wonders of Omoide Yokocho extend beyond the grilled and fried. Seek out the stalls serving oden, a traditional Japanese one-pot dish that's a hearty symphony of dashi broth, tofu, radish, and boiled eggs. And let's not forget the ever-popular ramen, with its comforting broth and springy noodles, a dish that's as diverse as Tokyo itself. Beyond the food, it's the experience that makes Omoide Yokocho truly special. Here, you'll rub elbows with locals and tourists, office workers and artists, all sharing in the joy of good food and camaraderie. Each stall, barely larger than a closet, creates an intimate environment that encourages conversation, laughter, and the sharing of stories over a shared meal. So, whether you're a seasoned foodie or a curious traveler, Omoide Yokocho offers a feast for your senses and a gateway into the heart of Tokyo's food culture. It's a place where the past and present coalesce, where every bite tells a story, and where memories are made, one dish at a time. Omoide Yokocho, a treat to your taste buds, a gastronomical adventure waiting to unfurl. So, what makes Tokyo's hidden gems so special? Well, it's the sheer diversity and uniqueness of the experiences that they offer. Tokyo, as we know, is a city of contrasts, where the ultra-modern and the traditional coexist in harmony. But the offbeat Tokyo, it's a world apart. It's a place where you can step off the beaten track and step into a different era, a different culture, a different world. We've journeyed through the old town charm, where the city's history lives on in its narrow lanes and traditional houses. We've experienced the French Connection, where the love for French culture has given birth to a unique fusion of French and Japanese experiences. And we've indulged in the culinary delights that the city offers, exploring food scenes that go beyond sushi and ramen. But the beauty of Tokyo's hidden gems lies not just in the experiences they offer, but also in the stories they tell. Each offbeat destination in Tokyo has a story to share, a story of the city's past, its culture, its people. And these stories are what make these hidden gems truly special. They offer a glimpse into the soul of Tokyo, a city that is constantly evolving yet deeply rooted in its traditions. The offbeat Tokyo is about discovering these stories. It's about exploring the city beyond its well-known attractions. It's about understanding the city in a deeper, more intimate way. And the best part? There's always something new to discover, something unexpected to stumble upon. So, whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or a culture enthusiast, the offbeat Tokyo has something for everyone. It's a place where you can immerse yourself in the city's culture, savor its culinary delights, and learn about its rich history. In the end, it's not just about seeing Tokyo. It's about experiencing it. It's about feeling the city's pulse, its rhythm, its heart. Because as we've seen, there's always more to Tokyo than meets the eye. It's all about looking deeper and finding the city's heart.